So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll first purge my cache over here so that I'm able to work freely. And over here I would like to take my curves and would like to apply this on my foreground over here, which is the footage keying. And inside this I'll go to my blue channel over here and I'll slightly increase the blue values. So this is what we are actually having now. So original was this and we turned this to be this. You check off this was the original, then I changed this to this as somewhere over here, as this is blue, so some areas needs to be given a bluish tint kind of effect. Now what we will be doing is, generally what happens is when your camera is actually going here, so this needs to be actually be in focus and then some areas should be defocused. So what I'll be doing is I'll be taking a camera lens blur over here and I'll be applying on my footage keying, which is this. And I will actually be animating this. So from here when it goes, actually I'll just control X over here, I'll go to the BG and I'll apply this because your background should be blurred as this is right now in focus. So the blur radius, I might increase this to maybe 8 to give a very pretty natural kind of feeling. I'll hit U in order to show the animated properties, and then when the camera is actually going here, on maybe till 100 or maybe till 130 frames, I will take the value to 0. So now if I play this, it will actually take some time. So you can actually go over here, and I actually want when the camera starts zooming in, the value should change. The value should be changed. I've changed this to third. And then my focus should shift from here to these candles and the tree over here. I've taken this to 21. I can also take this to maybe 15 over here. And if you see this, this is the first frame over here. Actually 15 in full view is too much. So as I was not able to get some view over here, that's the reason I had chosen in full, so that I actually get a total view of this. So I would like to change this to maybe 10, as this is defocused right now. And from 10 I would like to go over here and take this to 0. That's totally fine. Let me go back to third in order to play this. So if I play from here, this is how it is looking. The background is blur, and or rather it's defocused, and my foreground is pretty much focused. So this much of blur is pretty much natural and totally fine, no issue in that. Now the same way what I'll be doing is I will be copying this camera lens blur, and then I'll be pasting this over here in my Control V, and I'll go over here U. So I'll be actually doing the reverse what I did for here. My BG, I would actually start this from 0, and then it will go to my 10 over here, or maybe 12 as it is near to my camera. So if you see this transition over here from my 75 frames to 125 frames, and I also offset this a bit.